The Reggae Girlz are still basking in their victory over host nation Mexico in their opening game of the Concacaf Women's Championship in Monterrey on Monday night. Karen Madden has a review of the contest.
The road to back-to-back FIFA World Cup tournaments is far from over, but the slim win over the Mexicans was the perfect start from a tough Group A. It took only 8 minutes for the Reggae Girlz to put their noses in front through Captain Khadija Bonishaw's header from a perfectly weighted cross from Denisha Blackwood, making a return after several months on an injury layoff. It was the wake-up call that the home team needed, and they pressed hard for the equalizer, but were denied by faulty shooting. The Jamaicans could have extended that lead in the first half after forcing the Mexicans to make a mistake in the area, resulting in a VAR check and a penalty being awarded. But the country's World Cup goal scorer Havana Solon missed from the spot as the ball went sailing in the wind and the Mexican crowd heaved a sigh of relief. More chances went unclaimed during the second half as the usually prolific Jody Brown's exploits in front of goal evaded her. The country's leading goal scorer also had opportunities, but the Manchester City forward Shaw could not find another finish on the night. The Mexicans also pressed for at least a point, but were thwarted by stout defending from the Reggae Girlz, who held on for the important 3 points. Reggae Girlz captain Shaw reflected on the team's performance.
Yeah, I think it was good. Before the game, the coach spoke to us and told us, where the Mexican are strongest and where we need to, concentrate and lock in. And I think once we concentrate and lock in, we threw them off their game, and then that's how we stick to the task. And first of all, it's always good because at the end of the day, we're the winners.
For Coach Donaldson, the game unfolded as the staff thought it would, and he also explained why there were not many substitutions even as fatigue crept in.
The way the game was going, we made one tactical change at the end when they were shoving numbers forward, where we take out Havana and we drop another central midfield player a little bit deeper. But what we see defensively, the team was doing, it would have to take a lot for them to score a goal. And you can put a player in there and there's a lot of confusion. So even with tired players sometimes, you have to let them ride it out.
The Reggae Girlz will next be in action on Thursday when they face World Cup champions the United States, who are locked on 3 points with the Jamaicans but lead the group on goal difference. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.